Well, dear audience, I would like to talk about my older friends. I to Let me introduce Yakin Ahmed to you. Actually, I have lots of friends in my university, but among other friends in university, one of my great friends in Yakin Ahmed. He is my dearest and nearest one, and he is my university life partner in study partner. The first thing I should mention that he's a good person, and he's a good behavior, one of them, because of he's joining in another organization, for example blood donation, in name blood donation, who name is who name is Badon group, by Badon blood group. That's why I have chosen to Yakin Ahmed. So let's on top of that, I meet him in university life, and I haven't meet in I haven't meet I haven't meet him donkey years ago, because of he lives far away where I lives. So that's why I missed him, because of I spent long time in university. Recently I go to New Market to buy a shirt. He across the market, and I call him. Then he asked me, and he asked me, where are you from? Then I, as well as normal conversation. Then we are going to after that we are going to beside Turak river, and we are going to Turak river and enjoy this time, and lots of time is spent in Turak river, as well as we are going to everyone residents. So meet older friends in university.